Weight loss, green tea benefits. Over the years, green tea and its association with weight loss have long been the focus of various clinical studies. The positive effects of green tea on weight loss have been recognized in recent years. Studies show that the association between green tea and weight loss is largely linked to the plant's thermogenic properties. Thermogenesis is the process by which the body produces heat by accelerating metabolism, burning calories and breaking down fat. Certain substances in green tea are believed to help the body's thermogenesis, thus contributing to weight loss. Other herbs for weight loss. Apart from green tea, there are other natural herbs that contribute to weight loss. For example, Java Burn have been shown to increase the body's metabolic rate and aid in thermogenesis, leading to weight loss. These product link given in description. Maximizing the weight loss benefits of green tea. Maximizing the weight loss benefits of green tea requires a standardized weight loss herbal extract of pure green tea. The market offers a number of green tea weight loss products that do not use standardized extracts. These non-standardized green tea weight loss products are inexpensive but do not contain enough active green tea substances to produce any significant weight loss benefits. Scientists and traditional herbalists believe that better weight loss results are achieved when green tea is used in combination with other weight loss herbs and other nutrients. Therefore, before buying a green tea weight loss product, it is advisable that you choose a product that contains a rich blend of green tea herbs, minerals and nutrients that aid in weight loss. Green tea when combined with ginger and olive leaves helps lower cholesterol and promotes weight loss. Green tea helps prevent narrowing of blood vessels as well as protects the heart and ensures blood pressure levels. Ideal green tea weight loss product. The first thing to be sure of when buying green tea products is to see if the manufacturer of the green tea extract follows strict GMP compliance, a manufacturing standard used around the world. Having GMP approvals for green tea products gives you the assurance that you are getting the highest quality product. Under the Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act 1994, herbal products such as green tea are considered dietary supplements. This means that there is no guarantee of the success or effectiveness of these products. Companies or manufacturers that claim 100% success in their green tea products are doing false advertising and should not be protected. To make sure you're getting your money when you buy a green tea product, find a product that uses standardized green tea extract. Seek strict GMP compliance and ensure that the manufacturer of the green tea product has all the proper credentials in manufacturing the product. If you think you are overweight, and you want to lose weight fast, then product link given in description, please find from there and buy it. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and share our videos to your overweight friend, relatives and neighbor. Thanks for watching.